Okay, you two take one. Let's go. Nissan Versa 2007. Got to take the engine out. It's bad. Let's see what this does. I don't know. Let's do it. First order of operation.
Get all the plastic shit out.
I don't know. Take that thing off. Take this thing off. Take the battery out because we don't want this to burn down like my other car. And then just kind of start taking stuff apart till it looks like I don't have an engine in this thing anymore. We got mostly everything, I think. Timing chains, tensioners, gaskets, those things. Yeah, a bunch of other stuff. And shop towels. And Red Bull. Can't forget the Red Bull, big dog. A little behind the scenes. Okay, we got the intake manifold off. There. I found something out. Yeah. That's gone. Great. Okay, progress update. Water pumps out, alternator's out. That starter's out, I guess. We just got a little bit of accessory drive left, exhaust manifold, bell housing, and torque converter, and then this thing's out in like 2 hours, which is insane. Alright, so new day. I got tired. It was 1 o'clock in the morning and there was like 4 bolts left and I got tired. So I said, screw it, I'm going to bed. Next morning, engine's out. I had to take out, the side of the engine. I had to take out these 4 bolts right here. It was like kind of like a motor mount to like that steering shaft back there. And then that one right there, I had to take out of, I think there, whatever. But the engine is out. Now it's time for the fun process of taking the whole thing apart. It is weird seeing something like this when you're used to working on stuff like that over there. 350 small block Chevy. So, yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, we got it on the stand. No more engine in there. Engine there. Actually looks pretty clean. I'm pretty excited about it. Gotta get the timing cover off, head off, basically just rebuild the entire thing and put it back in and hope for the best. Okay, I am oil soaked completely, but cams, wrong side. Don't mind the oil spill. Silas, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. But everything in here, because what I took this engine apart kind of originally for was a big misfire and a knock, a bottom end knock it sounded like. But Wiggling these around, I'm not really feeling anything, but we'll see once we take bearing caps off, because it could be one of the mains too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 mains, and then there's 4 connecting rods. So, well, let's just take that off really quick. Yeah, rear main seal. Wasn't leaking, but we'll replace it because we got it. Because you always want to replace rear main seal when engine's out. There's my little CVT right there. Weird little thing. Hopefully I can get this back in. Hopefully this runs, because this is a nice car. Alright. Okay. We got new main bearings in. Gotta drop the crank back in and then start torquing down everything to spec. We're at that point now where we're putting everything back together. Very fun. Okay, progress update. It's the 3rd day. Cam's back in. Siliconed and all that. I don't know if I siliconed it right. We'll find out when this thing either pours oil or doesn't. So here's something with this. I think it's this cylinder. Yep, okay. I guess you can't really see it, which is good, I guess. Oh, you might be able to see it just in like a faint, yeah. The rings don't like to fit in there. There's pretty bad scoring inside of that cylinder wall. So we're gonna hone it and send it because I'm not buying a new engine block. Progress update. I forgot to do a YouTube video. Whatever. Rods are in. Torque down to spec. I'm just about to torque down this primary oil pan. And I'm gonna smack in the oil pump with the new timing gear on it. Secondary oil pan, and that'll be done. Flip it over, put the head gasket on, put the cam trays on. We are finally putting stuff back together.
It's my finger.
Sealing it up. Okay, skipped ahead a little bit. Engine's back together pretty much. It's going back in the car now. We will go from here.
Wow, that radiator's dirty.
Ready?
Yeah, send it. Yeah. Okay.
Final update. And that's a wrap on the 2007 Nissan Versa engine rebuild.